I wonder what this would look like.
Is it a video?
5.
Okay, I'm gonna throw my phone across the... Here's my bestie. Isn't he cute? Oh, Bella! That's me. We're just messing. It's our little thing.
Yeah, it's nothing that is how to train the dragon. You can shoot the dragon.
I'm Leah, and I look like I got a wig on. I'm a dinosaur. I hate bitches. No, I'm not a bitch. Yes, you are. That's not what my boyfriend says. Leah, you're so not a bitch. Oh my god. You're so not. I love you, dude, that I just met in a couple of minutes. Yeah. Same here. Can we get this done with? I'm hungry as a mofo. Oh my god, make him stop, Kevin. My name's Ken. Just make him stop. Party. It's backyardigans, yay! This should not be funny, but at, but at 5:47, this is our amusement. Again, if you do not see our latest... Damn it. I'm okay. Is that the hiccup? Fuck your Poliwhirl. My Poliwhirl beat your Pokemon all 3. Dugong gong gong. I was winning. I can't do anything. You can't do anything. Fuck you. I can't do anything. And then I lost. I love you.